Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting yet challenging aspect of the financial world that has the power to change lives: Forex trading. If you're new to this journey, selecting the right Forex broker is a crucial first step. Together, we'll explore the essential factors you need to consider to ensure a secure and efficient trading experience. Let's start with something fundamental: regulatory compliance and safety. A trustworthy broker stands on a foundation of strong regulations. Think of the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK or the Commodity Futures Trading Commission in the US. These are your knight in shining armor, enforcing strict standards to protect your investments. A regulated broker keeps your funds safe in segregated accounts, giving you peace of mind that your money remains where it should be. Next, delve into the broker's reputation. It's like checking reviews before buying a new smartphone. You want to know you're in good hands. A solid track record in the Forex industry often indicates reliable and consistent service, exactly what you need as you begin. An intuitive, user-friendly platform can make all the difference for beginners, whether it's the renowned MetaTrader 4 or an easy-to-navigate proprietary platform. Finding one that feels comfortable is key. Add in comprehensive educational resources like tutorials and webinars to empower yourself continually. But learning doesn't stop with platforms and resources. Trading is a community endeavor. It becomes significantly easier and more rewarding when you do deep research and follow the ideas shared by fellow traders. Therefore, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. We're here to navigate this dynamic world together, share insights, and enhance our skills collectively. Remember to test the waters with demo accounts before you go all in. Competitive spreads, reliable customer support, and a diverse range of tradable instruments should also be on your radar when choosing your broker. And of course, transparency in pricing is non-negotiable. Know where every penny of yours is going. We've covered a lot, but before we end, here's a critical reminder. While trading can offer substantial rewards, it also comes with its share of risks. Always remember never to put all your money into trading. Diversify your investments and only trade with funds you can afford to lose. Thank you for joining us today. We're committed to accompanying you on your trading journey, providing insights and support every step of the way. Subscribe for more in-depth content, insights, and strategies. Until next time, trade wisely and safely.